Japan. We are working.
I want to remind you that Kenya is visa-free. We have made that bold step. Kenya is a visa-free destination. That is critical. So I'm giving you a big message. You can come in and you can come out visa-free. There's something else I must remind you, which people tend to forget. If you're an investor here, Kenya is the most liberal financial market in the region. There are no exchange restrictions. You can convert your currency at any one time. If you're an investor and you want to repatriate your profits, you have no problem in repatriating your profits. So come and make them here, and your shareholders will be happy. The Pearson VUE Test Center is a regional hub for administering the globally coveted National Council licensure examination. Registered nurse examinations that are mandatory for nurses seeking to practice in the United States, Canada, and Australia. It is the second in Africa, after South Africa, for certifying and licensing of nursing professionals. This will enable nurses qualifying from our public and private training institutions to meet the requirements of securing international jobs where the demand for nursing skills is ever rising. It is now my pleasure to declare the Pearson VUE Test Center officially open.